Alright, got a hopefully pretty quick install tonight. I picked up some LED interior lights for the car. I got a 10-piece with the map lights, the Glovebox, the Footwell, rear hatch area, and then the backup and license plate lights. Got it from this D15 moto seller and on eBay. Whole pack was like $28. Hopefully install should go pretty quick. These look like they're pretty straightforward. Just plug right in LED. Looks like they've got them all marked there. And never done any of these before, but it all looks pretty simple. Looks like we just need to pop off the covers and slide them in. All right, let's get on the inside. All right, so it looks like I think the only tools we'll need are, I don't have any panel poppers, so I've got a couple different flat-headed screwdrivers here. So let's get started and do the ones in the rearview mirror there. On there you can see a sneak peek of the Sport Cup 2s I just picked up. Less than 1,000 miles on them for $700 for all 4 of them. That'll be another video. But anyway, so these 3, those are marked. These are kind of unique looking, and then these, I don't know where they go. So these aren't marked, but I assume we'll be able to see once we get inside there. So let's see if I can get. All right, I don't know if that'll show up. Pops right off, and now after doing it once, the little tab is on this side, so now on this one I'm going to know to pull down on the inside part first, and then that'll pivot, be able to pivot off there. And it looks like these are going to be the ones that go inside here. Don't know if I can pull it out. Might need needle nose for that. I'll be right back. All right, it's got some needle nose here, and it looks like it should be a pretty straightforward. All right, let's see if I can get this side in a little bit quicker. So now I know that we pull on inside part, pivot straight down. Bulb comes out. Might have it backwards. There we go. Yeah, that is dramatically brighter. And then little cover snaps right back in, outside in first. And there it is. So, pretty big improvement there. Oops. From those, quite a bit more light. Now we'll get down to the footwells that you can barely even see in right now. All right, let's see if we can get out these. I think this is where a panel popper would be much easier, but that wasn't too bad. So on there I just kind of got at the front lip with the screwdriver and then just kind of pushed down, twisted, and the tabs are on either side right there. So this one should just be, it's like these little flat guys. Ones that look like this. Well, actually, maybe not. They're the regular ones too. We'll try both. So it looks like they may be this one as well. This one, can't see anything. Oh, yeah, there we go. Much better. All right. There we go. On to the next side. Same thing over here. These are just pitiful lights. This one looks even dimmer. And that panel is flimsy. There's no room here. Let's get the seat back. And that panel just gives away, so it's tough to get any leverage on it. All right. And there's light. All right. This one's a little bit farther back than the driver's side, so it doesn't put out as much light. And man, that's flimsy. Who says Corvettes are cheap? That's solid right there. Okay, moving on to the back. The glove box was more of a bear than I expected, but it's in there. It's tricky because you have to reach way in there and get some leverage on it, which is pretty tough at this angle, but it's a right angle back down in there. But I got it in and it's nice and bright. Now to the back. These were unique because I was able to actually pull the whole pocket out, unplug them from their pigtail, and now I have the whole light piece here, so I can actually go replace this. It's not focusing, but can go replace it over there on the bench. So these come apart really easily. This pops open. Just kind of press that down. Dude falls out, and new one goes in. Make sure the LEDs are facing out. Cover goes back on, and it's ready to go back in the car. All right, there we go. I think for 25 bucks, we got a winner. The interior is pretty much all done, or all the lights are done. Nice LED. Looking good, nice and modern.